Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore the beautiful world of hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is an art form that allows you to create stunning patterns using just a needle and thread. It's a craft pattern that has been loved for still popular today. First, let's talk about the basic types of hand embroidery designs. There are many, but the most common include floral designs, geometric patterns, and motifs inspired by nature. Floral designs are perfect for adding elegance to clothes like dresses, shirts, and even home items like cushion covers, bed sheets. Simple flowers like roses, daisies, and tulips are very popular. Next, we have geometric designs. These designs use shapes like square. Traditional embroidery is very beautiful. Another beautiful style is animal and nature motifs. Birds, butterflies, leaves, and trees can make your embroidery more lively and interesting. These designs are perfect for scarves, wall hangings, and even bags. Now let's talk about the technique used in hand embroidery. Some popular stitches include the running stitch, back stitch, satin stitch, and front knot. Each stitch gives a different effect. For example, satin stitch gives a smooth, shiny look, while French knot add texture and depth. When creating your own design, always start with a simple flowers. You can draw your pattern on paper, on fabric using our pencil or water marker. This helps guide your stitching and ensure your design comes out perfect. Hand embroidery is not only beautiful but also relaxing and satisfying. It can be a great hobby, and you can even turn it into gifts for friends and family. Personalized hand embroidered items always feel special and unique. Finally, remember that practice makes perfect. Start with small designs, experiment with colors and stitches, and soon you will be able to create more design